Welcome to my channel. Netgear WAX610Y Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 AP Installation Guide. 1. Unbox and check all items. Make sure you have the WAX610Y unit, mounting kit, PO injector, and screws. Example. Check if the PO injector is included. It's required for powering the device. 2. Mount the access point outdoors. Use the provided brackets to mount the AP on a pole or wall. Example. Mount it at least 8 to 10 feet high for the best outdoor coverage. 3. Connect Ethernet cable to PO injector. Run a durable outdoor rated Ethernet cable from the AP to the PO injector. Example. Use Cat6 cable so you get full Wi-Fi 6 performance. 4. Power the AP using PO. Plug the PO injector into power and connect it to your network switch, router. Example. LAN port right pointing arrow router, PO port right pointing arrow WAX610Y. 5. Open the Insight app. Download the Netgear Insight app and sign in to your account. Example. Tap, add device, and scan the QR code on the AP. 6. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Set Wi-Fi name, password, bandwidth mode, and channel. Example. Choose WPA3 security for stronger protection. 7. Run an outdoor coverage test. Walk around the installation area while checking signal strength in the app. Example. Ensure you get at least -65 dBm in important zones. 8. Final placement adjustment. Tilt or reposition the AP to remove weak spots and ensure wide coverage. Example. Slightly angle the AP downward if users are mostly below the mounting point. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.